Okay, good morning, everyone. I told you regarding money and credit in the previous chapter, in the previous period, and in that I told you regarding terms of credit. I just want you to tell what do you mean by terms of credit. Rachel, you were there that day? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Anjali, can you tell?
Interest rate, collateral and documentation requirement, and the mode of repayment together
Yeah,
comprise terms of credit.
credit. Okay. Now, what do you mean by collateral? Gauri, can you tell?
It is an asset that the borrower owns the user to use this guarantee
Hmm.
to the lender until the loan is being repaid.
Until the loan is repaid. Okay. So what all documents we require for getting a loan? Some are common. Okay. Who can say that? Susan, can you tell what all documents we require to get a loan?
Paper,
What all papers?
papers of house,
Papers of house. Rather than that, to get a loan, that is collateral. Okay. Other than that, what papers you
uh,
require?
a salary,
Correct. The papers of salary, employment certificate, and all those things. Okay. Income certificate. Yeah, income certificate. That's also correct, Shania. Okay, so these are the things we need to get a loan. Mainly, they will be mentioning the interest rate, documents, whatever is required. Mode of repayment is a very special feature because it shows that how we are going to repay the amount of money. Okay. Now, today I want you to take that second chapter. You have an exam. What is the date of your exam? Social? Any one person? Hmm? Fifth. Fifth. Yes?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do one thing. Take the chapter sectors of Indian economy that is there for your exam, right? So take that. Take the sectors of the Indian economy. Now, who is remaining? Anyone is remaining for the seminar from your class? I have to ask every time. Leaders, you can just remind me this person is remaining. Anybody is remaining? Leaders, please. Otherwise, you tell it's not there. I mean, all of your group members done. 10B, leaders.
Ma'am,
Uh,
Aaron, Agna, and Alicia have not done.
okay, what about Aaron is present? Aaron, no. Agna, no. Why are they not coming? Are they not attending other classes also? Is it like that? Or only economics? Susan, do you have any idea?
Sometimes they will come in other classes.
What about Alicia? Alicia.
She also sometimes.
Okay. Okay, now. Okay, do one thing. And what about 10C? There also, I think the problem is Alna is absent. Alna is present.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
in the last activity, ma'am said that. Can you repeat once more?
What is
Last
that last?
activity. Ma'am
What
said
is
one activity, no, last. Okay, one in A4 sheet, ma'am said no, you want to draw one in A4 sheet, one.
concept map?
Flow chart, one, ma'am said no, one in A4 sheet, last class, ma'am showed one.
That is concept map I told or flow chart which you have done already.
Ma'am, that's a second one, that concept map.
Concept map.
Uh.
Right. That I will, I told you to do on which chapter? Money.
Consumers right.
Huh? No, 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 no. I told you that you have to do. I showed you an example, right? That
Yes,
let the chapter money and credit get over. Then I will tell you to do that. Once more, I will tell you later. Okay. Then consumer rights, it's a project actually. Personally, you have to do one project. Okay. That is a project like a file. You have to submit that to the in the school. Okay, that also I will explain later because I have to check with sir whether when I can give this project to you. Okay. Okay, now what you do, take the Alicia, are you ready? Alicia, I saw her. Okay, now what you do, take the sectors of Indian economy, that chapter. Okay, take the first 5 pages of that. Take the first five pages in the sense. No, that I don't have now. What is the page number starting that? Fast, fast, don't waste time. 19. Okay, so 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 5 pages. Okay, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 5 pages you take. From these 5 pages, make questions, objective questions, because you know that this exam is going to be an MCQ one. So it will be like one word objective one. And even the term one exam, you know what kind of questions are going to come. It's objective, assertion, reasoning, like that questions will come. Okay, so for that purpose, now read thoroughly these 5 pages, make questions. I will be asking you to discuss now. And I don't want you to lose any mark in that. Start making questions.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's at starting 2019. It's just the introduction.
It is starting. It is the introduction.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, introduction in the sense not.
That first page.
Okay. So 5 pages you have to take, 20, 21. Altogether, you just see how many pages are there. 5 pages we will do then. 2 days we can finish it off then. And I want you to be serious in this because you are doing a revision on this. It's not that
15 pages.
15 are there. Okay, so first 5 pages you take, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. No, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24, including 24th page, okay? Please be serious. Now you are reading, doing a revision. So it will be easy for you when the question comes. Alicia, is there any problem with your mic? Just chat, put it in the chat box. Roshan, read and make questions fast. Because this will be helpful for finding the answers easily. Page numbers of second, economics, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. From these pages, make as many objective type questions, fill in the blanks or MCQ or what do you say, one word answer. It should be only one word, not a sentence, okay? All of you can switch on your video so that I can see what you people are doing.
22.
20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Sectors of Indian economy, that chapter. Because textbook reading is very, very important for the objective questions. Those who have completed 5 questions, just raise your hand. 5 questions. No one. Okay. Anybody completed 5 questions? And I want everyone to ask the question because some of you may have some extra questions and all with you. So I will be calling out the names according to your roll number. I feel that is better. So whatever you are writing today, that you keep it with you. We will continue in the next period also. Okay, next class also or another day. So I want everyone to prepare. Just think that this will be helpful for you in the exam. To do it seriously. Ashna, I didn't get what you said. What did you say? Is there any problem with your mic, Ashna?
Ma'am, there is another contact with Ashna Anthony.
Who is that Ashna Anthony now? Ashna Anthony? Let me see. So you prepared questions? At least shall we start discussing?
I'm two.
Only 2 you prepared.
I'm reading.
Hmm? Okay, we will just start. How many questions? Those who are completing, you just try to complete that. So when questions are asked, you can just answer that. Okay. Aaron is present. Aaron? No. Agna? No. Alicia? Cannot. Susan, shall we start with you?
I only
Susan?
wrote 4 questions.
Okay, 4 questions. Okay, we will start. Otherwise, we'll be wasting time, I feel. Okay. Okay, 4 questions she has prepared. We will start then. Susan, please.
Primary sector is also known as dash sector.
Okay, primary sector is also known as dash sector. I will ask one person. Susan, you prefer to ask anyone?
Uh,
Do you prefer?
Anjali.
Anjali, can you say the answer?
This is also known as industrial sector, agricultural sector,
Agriculture and one more word is there.
agricultural
and
related sector.
related sector. Agriculture and related sector. Okay. Then next question.
Agriculture, dairy, fishing are included in dash sector.
Okay, Nabil, can you tell the answer? Agriculture, dairy, fishing is included in dash sector. Nabil, can you hear me? His audio is not connected or what? Okay, Gauri, can you tell?
Primary sector.
Primary sector. Okay, next question.
Dash is the full form of GDP.
Dash is the full form of GDP. Lena,
Gross domestic product.
gross domestic product. Okay, correct. So I see others also just listen in between what questions are asked and you see the answer also so that it will be easy for you to write the answer or if this particular question has come. Okay. Over. Susan.
One more.
Okay.
In olden times, dash sector was important.
In olden time, dash sector was important. Karthik.
Ma'am, primary sector.
Primary sector. Okay, done. Okay, now after Susan, Ashna. Ashna, did you prepare? No. Godwin, no. Lena? Yes.
I'm preparing.
How many questions you have prepared? That is enough.
Ma'am, 2 questions.
Only 2 questions. Okay, so I will come back to you later then. Chris Joe. Chris Joe. No, he is entering only. Okay. Delvin.
Ma'am, I didn't prepare.
Oh, don't say that. At least 1 or 2 questions you might have prepared, right? Now everyone, if they start saying how we will carry on. Eva, did you prepare?
Ma'am, only 3.
Only 3. That's enough. We will start with that. Okay. Yes.
What is other name of tertiary sector?
What is the other name of tertiary sector? Atulya, can you tell?
Service sector.
What is that?
Service sector.
Service sector. Correct. Next one.
Ma'am, what is called the DGP of a D?
Is it DGP?
Ma'am,
It's okay, fine. Okay. What do you mean by GDP? That's why you're asking. But already that question is asked, I feel. So we can move to another question. What is that? Okay. I will come back to you then. Fazan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Questions? Fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Noble, are you preparing questions? Noble, just 1 minute. Noble, I told you I want to see you all. So please switch on your video. I can see that many have switched it off now. Noble, connect your audio also. It's not connected. Yeah, now it's okay. Okay, Fizan, start.
Examples of primary sector.
What is it? An example of primary sector. Any one example. That's what you're asking. Okay, Delvin, can you tell? Any one example? Any one example for primary sector? See, I think what all will come under primary sector. You have learned primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. So which activity can come under primary sector? Delvin.
Agriculture.
Very good. Agriculture. Okay. Next question. Fizan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I mean, in tertiary sector, with transporter in which, by which primary or secondary sector would be transported by which?
Can you tell once more? You are asking transport is in which sector?
No, which in transporting in which vehicle? And that in the textbook there, primary or secondary sector would be transported by that.
Primary and secondary sector will be transported.
We need to transport it by.
That is something different what you're asking. Any other question?
And what is GDP?
What is GDP? All are asking. Now don't ask that question. What is GDP? What is the full form?
Final goods.
What do you mean by final goods? Okay, you are asking what is final goods. But when you ask final goods, it will be a one sentence answer, right? I want actually one word. So can you, when you are asking, you tell the explanation of that particular question and ask what kind of good it is. That will be better. Okay.
Or example of that final goods.
Any example for final good? Okay. Navneet, can you tell any example for final good?
Ma'am. Sugar cane.
Sugar cane is
Sugar.
Sugar, what we are using in, see, there also some differences there. Sugar, if we are using at home, that is a final product. But at the same time, if the sugar we are using in a tea shop, that is an intermediate good. Okay, so you understand the difference. Final good in the sense final product which we are consuming directly, not for further production. Okay. Okay. Okay, Alna. Next, Nabil, can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you prepare the question? No. Fast, I will ask you. Okay. Now, Krishna, what about Krishna? Krishna, I saw him in between. Krishna. Krishna, can you hear me? Maria. Maria is present.
Yes.
Okay, Maria, just put the questions.
Name the sector of economy that does not produce any goods.
That does not produce.
Any goods.
Name any sector of economy that does not produce any good. Okay, can anyone answer?
Tertiary sector.
Okay. Tertiary sector. It is producing only service. Very good. Question is tricky. Yes.
What type of goods are counted for calculation of GDP in India?
Okay, what kind of goods are taken into consideration while calculating the GDP? Sriram, can you tell? What kind
One
of
more
goods? Huh?
One more time. Question.
What kind of goods are taken into consideration while calculating GDP? What kind of goods?
Domestic goods.
Wait. Rohan, can you tell? What kind of goods are taken in? When you are learning the GDP's, what is that definition? In that it is given. What kind of goods are taken into consideration while calculating GDP?
Gross domestic product.
That is GDP, right? So when the definition, if you read in that, it is given what kind of goods. What kind of goods are taken into consideration?
Final goods.
Final goods. So her questions are very tricky. Okay, good. Yes. Next one.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish. Only two you have prepared. Okay. Maria, what about you?
Ma'am, I am only Maria.
Oh, sorry. Then Elsa.
Ma'am, I prepared.
Okay.
What forms the base of all products that we subsequently make?
Okay. What is considered as the base one? Sean, can you say? Sean.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Did you hear the question?
No, ma'am.
Once more you repeat. Elsa, repeat once more the question.
What forms the base of all products that we use?
That we substantially make. Which one is considered as the base for the products that we substantially make? Sean, do you know the answer?
Ma'am, I didn't get the question.
What kind? Once more, Maria. Sorry, Elsa.
What forms the base of all products that we subsequently make?
Yes. Which one is considered as a base? Base sector then. Little more clear, I am telling.
Primary.
Then you got. So it is, you just think once more when she asked it in indirect manner. So when we say base sector, you got it. Okay. Okay, fine. Next question.
Tertiary sector provides dash.
Tertiary sector provides dash. Rachel? Rachel?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tertiary sector provides dash.
Oh.
Ashna is present. Tertiary sector provides dash. Tanya, can you tell?
Ma'am, it will help in the development of primary and secondary sector. Transportation.
Wait. 1 minute. Tertiary sector provides dash. Fizan, your answer is correct. Rachel, answer.
Ma'am, helps to develop other sectors.
Helps to develop other sector. Once more, you repeat the question.
Ma'am, tertiary sector provides dash.
Tertiary sector provides dash in the sense that is provides services, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question.
Value of all final goods and services produced within a country during a year is known as dash.
Okay, Revu, what is the answer? Once more, you repeat the question.
Value of all final goods and services produced within a country during a year is known as dash.
Yes, Revu.
Ma'am,
Yes. Do you know or not?
ma'am, don't know.
Yeah, correct. Correct in the sense someone has put it in the chat box. That's why I'm telling correct. No. Srihari,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the answer?
Can you repeat it?
You are in other world, right? Okay, once more, repeat.
Value of all final goods and services produced within a country during a year is known as dash.
What is
GDP.
that? GDP. Next question.
Dash comes under communication.
Dash comes under communication. I mean, which sector it is? Shifana, can you tell? Shifana. Dash comes under communication. It comes under which sector? That's what we are. Unmute and tell. It is kept mute. Shifana. Lakshmi Nanda.
Tertiary sector.
Tertiary sector. Okay, very good. Next question. Done?
No, ma'am, one more.
Okay, ask.
When we produce a good by exploiting nature resources, it is known as.
Okay. Eben. Once more, please repeat the question. Eben Thompson.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can you repeat the question?
Yes.
When we produce a good by exploiting natural resources, it is known as dash.
Primary sector.
Primary sector. Okay. Next over, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Meghna might have not prepared. Nabil, is he there? Just check. Nabil. No. Navneet. Yes. You can.
Intermediate goods are used up in producing dash and dash.
Intermediate goods are used in producing dash and dash. Emrin, can you tell? Emrin, I saw in the previous class you were keeping it on the video and all. Now what happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell the answer. Once more, you repeat the question.
Intermediate goods are used up in produce dash and dash.
Yes. Emrain, do you know the answer?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Agna, do you know the answer? Hmm? Agna, can you hear me? Dominic, what about Dominic? Do you know the answer? Wait. Huh? No. So well?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Raya,
What is the question?
question once more, please repeat.
Intermediate goods are used up in producing dash and dash.
Final goods and services.
Is it final goods and services?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question.
Secondary sector is also known as.
Secondary sector is also known as Srihari.
Industrial sector.
Industrial sector. Okay. Next question.
Tertiary sector is also known as.
Tertiary sector is also known as Swati.
Service sector.
Service sector. Okay. Next question. Or only this much you have. Okay. See, you have to homework now. You have to prepare more questions and we'll discuss on Monday also. Okay. Prepare more questions. If all the simple questions you are giving here now, right? So it should be a little more difficult also, tricky also. Okay. Elsa, I expect more questions from you. Okay. No, Maria. Sorry. Maria.
Okay.
Okay. So here Nazre Noble. Noble. Yes. On your video and ask question. Yes.
I'm not prepared.
Not prepared. Why? Not even one question you prepared? I gave time, then simply you were sitting there or what? Then?
Next class.
Next class, why? I will ask you after 5 minutes. Okay. Prepare questions fast and put it forward in front of them. Yeah. Next, Rachel, George is not there, right? Okay, Rachel, you can.
Ma'am, the cultivation of cotton, it takes dash within a dash. Cultivation of cotton, it takes place within dash season.
Within dash season. Rebu, can you tell?
Question.
Once more, repeat the question.
Ma'am, the cultivation of cotton, it takes place within a dash season.
Yes. Cultivation of cotton takes place. Okay, that is there in the primary sector, I think. Okay. Srihari?
Ma'am, season is not given. It's given sunshine, rainfall, and climate. Season is not.
Okay. I mean, they require all these things for the growth, right? Okay, next question.
Tertiary sector is also called the dash sector.
Okay, tertiary sector is also called as dash sector. Isha, can you tell? Tertiary sector is also known as dash sector.
Service sector.
Okay, service sector. Next. Rachel? Only that. Okay, see, minimum, see, 5 pages I gave, and at least from each page you should have prepared one question, I feel. Huh? Okay, I want you to prepare more, okay? Okay, Shania is asking which sector helps in the development of primary and secondary sector? Noble, which sector helps in the development of primary and secondary sector?
Agriculture.
You don't have a textbook with you, what?
Yes, ma'am.
You have?
Yeah.
That is what you are not attending the classes. That's why you are sitting like nothing you knew about it, right? It should not be like that. It's I feel chapter is very simple. Yes, Sean, can you tell?
Ma'am, tertiary.
Rachel, repeat the question. Just 1 minute. No, who was
And
asking?
which one?
Yeah. No, who was asking?
Ma'am, not me.
Okay, who was that?
Shani.
Huh? Shania. Yeah, Shania cannot tell. Okay, which sector helps in the development of primary and secondary sector? What did you say?
Tertiary.
Okay, that is the correct answer. Okay. Now let me take the attendance. Aaron, absent. Just wait one. Okay, Aaron absent. Agna, Alicia, Anuj. I'm marking absent those who are not responding. Okay. Anuj is present. No. Susan,
Present, ma'am.
Ashna, Godwin. Godwin. Absent. Lena.
Present, ma'am.
Presjo. Delvin. Helena. Isha.
Present, ma'am.
Eva. Shifana. Fazan present. Yes. Shifana present. I want you to on your video. At least let me see now. Krishna.
I'm present.
Maria. Yeah, Fazan present. Meghna.
Present, ma'am.
Nihal. Nazil. Nabil. Navneet.
Present, ma'am.
Nazrin. Noble. Rachel. George. Rachel.
Present, ma'am.
Boban.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah. Raya. Present. Rohan.
I'm
Roland.
Rohan present.
Yes, yes. Roland. Absent. Roshan.
Present.
Shweta. Vishnu.
Present.
Yes. Eben.
Present, ma'am.
Alam. Alna. Ananda Krishna. Anjali.
Present, ma'am.
Anthony. Arun. Ashik. Atulya.
Present, ma'am.
Austin. Devasena.
Present, ma'am.
Dominic.
Present, ma'am.
Elsa.
Present,
Emrin.
ma'am.
Bhagat. Gauri Nanda.
Present, ma'am.
Gautam. Jerlin. Jesslyn. Justin. Karthik.
Present, ma'am.
Kshetra.
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi Nanda. Melita.
Present, ma'am.
Minha.
Present, ma'am.
Rebu.
Present, ma'am.
Syed.
Present, ma'am.
Sania. Shania. Sean. Sohal. Sriram. Srihari. Sriram is present, yeah. Srihari. Swati.
Present.
Yes. Okay then. Bye everyone. Thank